Hello, and welcome to Tom's Garage. Today we're going to do a quick video on replacing a battery on a Honda key fob. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get the key fob open. So I'm actually taking the key out and using that to pry the two sides apart. So you can just stick the key right in to the opening, and then from there you can kind of just twist and pry and hold one side and it'll pop right open. From there, you'll have access to the battery. I'll put a link in the description for the actual battery that you have to use, but I'm just showing you, I use my nail, but you can use a screwdriver or something to take it out, to pry it out. Put it back in, and then from there we just put the two halves together and just press firmly, and it should click right into place, and you can just replace the key. All right, so that's going to be it for today. Just quick, simple. This is from a 2022 Honda CR-V, but obviously the key fob is used on many different Honda vehicles. But if this video helped you out, just make sure that you leave a like, you share, and please subscribe. We just reached 9,000 subscribers. I just want to thank everybody out there that subscribed, and it'll keep motivating me to keep making these videos. Y'all take care and stay safe.